In literally every sector of the economy, opportunities abound waiting to be explored. From manufacturing to agribusiness and digital economy, the country is a cocktail of opportunities awaiting investors such as yourselves. We look forward for partners who can be able to work with us, and at this time allow me to say that for the last 3 years we have agreed that we want to operate outside the box. And that means whenever there is a problem and you need a solution, we don't want to be defined by tradition. So for investors who are here, whenever there is a problem and you have a solution, the government is waiting to listen to you. And therefore, to say we have discarded the box, and all you want is, where do we meet? You need your investment return, you need stability, we want our young people employed, and you want our forex in the country. That's our meeting point, that's the equilibrium, and we'll be able to create a solution necessary for you. Under the wise and visionary leadership of the President, we have embraced adaptation and innovation. And therefore, meaning with every changing situation, we sit with the business community to align on the challenges that are there, and even when our laws are an impediment, we have what we call business amendment laws, such as what we passed last year, and even this year will be aligning. I want to take this opportunity also to thank investors who are already in Kenya, because there are many who want to come, but many others who are already here. Some of them have also sponsored this event, including KCB, our biggest bank, led by Paul Russo. Thank you. It's our biggest bank, but also within the region in East Africa, and I'm also hoping we'll go beyond East Africa, is our leading bank. So again, when it comes to financial solutions, together with M-Pesa and all the others that are there, we are all set. We also have Arise, which have also partly sponsored this event, and we also want to thank you for your participation and sponsorship.